We're going to give you a demonstration now of how effective the booth is in capturing overspray. Right now the booth is running, so we're pulling all of the air around this dummy cake through the fan box, and all of the exhaust is going to hit that white panel back there. We're going to spray this cake black. So we're going to give you a really good idea of how much overspray it captures and how it pulls the overspray away from you so you don't breathe any of this. Here we go. So we just finished spraying this cake completely black. All of the overspray gets pulled around the cake through the filters, and as you can see, looking at the white background down here, there's nothing on there at all. It's filtering everything. It's pulling all of the overspray away from you so you don't breathe it anymore. If I wipe my hand on the front down here, absolutely nothing. Okay, it's all getting pulled away from you. You won't be breathing this airbrush stuff anymore. When you blow your nose at the end of the day, nothing will come out. Okay, this is the ultimate solution.